Welcome to Midtown Apartments Gainesville, your go-to spot for student living that's close to the action. And made for your college grind and good times. Choose your perfect abode from the wide selection of 1 to 4 bedroom apartments and spacious studios. Fully furnished with a warm, cozy bed for a restful snooze, your soon-to-be focus space, and a package for breezy chores with in-unit washer and dryer and dishwasher. Sweat it out at the fully equipped fitness center for all your health goals. Then head to the private or shared study rooms for academic success. Unwind in the outdoor courtyard space, perfect for debriefs with friends. Or get competitive at the resident club room with arcade games. There's even space to park your wheels with secure bicycle storage and a resident parking garage. Stay extra secure with controlled access to the premises. Turn your commute to campus into a quick cardio session when the University of Florida and Kappa Delta sorority is just a short walk away, and you want to explore the City Village Square and Bambi Motel are just a few steps away. Don't wait. Grab your spot at Midtown Apartments Gainesville, now through amberstudent.com.